Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As we all know that Zack Snyder's Justice League trailer has been launched and there has been so many speculations about how the film is going to be. So here in this video I am going to just tell you and discuss you about what exactly we are going to see in the movie. So a lot of people are speculating that the movie is going to be completely different. But if you ask me, I don't think so. Because already we know this basic story that the group of people are going to fight against the dark side or the force of dark side. So as we all know that it has been established. So how different the Justice League would be from the film which we got in the theaters. If you see, there will be some added scenes, but it will not be a completely different story as we expect. If you go back in 2016 when we saw Batman and Superman The Dawn of Justice extended cut, there we found some extra scenes and extra footage, but basically the story was the same. Some found it very interesting, some didn't find it any difference. So similarly in this also, of course, there are some few added scenes that we are going to see, like Joker in the end, which is added and shot again, and some black suit Superman thing. Everything we are going to have new, but the story is same, and don't have too much expectations. I personally watched the Dawn of Justice Batman and V Superman extended cut, and I actually preferred the extended cut because in the theater I couldn't understand what exactly was going on. So here also I think the Zack Snyder cut will be a better film than the Joss Whedon's version that we saw in the theaters. But I don't think there will be a too much new things here and there. Some action scenes will be added, but the story is more or less the same. So don't expect too much and don't speculate too much. So when you finally see the movie, you'll be disappointed. So the story, we all know what it is. So the superheroes are teaming together, and the Superman is dead and he's going to be alive this time. The only difference is he's going to be in black suit, and some scenes which we saw in the first trailer will be there, like the scenes of the Flash and the scenes of course Cyborg will be added. The origin story will be there. Other than that, I don't think personally it will be much of a change. So friends, don't expect too much so that you will be disappointed. Of course it will be a better version, of course we are all waiting for that, but I don't think it will be a completely different film as people are suggesting it to be. It would be a good feature film that which we wanted to see in the Justice League, which we got, especially that the mustache thing that we got about Superman was the worst thing that we got to see in many years. So I think it would be a better film, but I don't think it would be a different film. So what do you think about the new trailer? As far as the trailer goes, the trailer is also more or less showing us the same things like Darkseid. Only the new thing which I found in the trailer was the end scene with the Joker, which I enjoyed like all the others. I hope we all will like this film. I hope this film will turn out to be a better, good version of what we saw. So comment us, tell us what you feel about the video and what will be the film and how different the film would be than what we saw. 2 hours extra means some footage will be new, but the story is same and the scenes will be same. That is what I feel. So comment us, like my channel if you want to see more videos. Thank you.